How's it, guys? Welcome to Swari's Garage. Myself and my Swari behind the camera. Say hello, Jason.
Hi guys.
And our good friend Brian. We we basically have this car here. I bought this car about 4 years ago, actually 5 now. And initially it wasn't planned to be a track car or anything like that. Did a couple of track days in it, really got hooked, and it kind of went downwards from there. So yeah, history on the car, it's a 2010 135i with a N55 equipped 6-speed manual. Initially started as a effectively bone stock car, then started adding multiple mods as we go. As of the current state of things, well, let me rather go back a bit and talk about the history. So entered 2022 into the Velasa Racing series with it. I had a very tough competition against a Mark V Supra, which inevitably ended in second place for me. Took a bit of time to reflect and build on the car some more. Then on the 2025 season, I managed to win my class with this car. After all that, we decided it's maybe time to go full race car instead of just sort of a fast-ish street car. So with that, we went a bit bananas. Yeah, as you can see, like I said, it was a dead stock 135i. It is now progressed to, it's got full intake, it has a hybrid turbo system. We did oil catch can, upgraded Turner Motorsport water system. It runs a water methanol injection. It runs Turner Motorsport radiator. It's got a 5.5-inch intercooler. We did a custom oil cooler with a ducting system. We'll add some pictures of that. The car is sitting on BC Racing BR series coilovers. It's got Vari 2-piece discs on it that were custom made, and using a endless ME20 pad system. Those have been phenomenal. As for power wise, it's not the strongest car. It's running quite a safe setup for track. You know, heat is a problem. So car's only making about 350 horsepower. So it's not crazy or anything, but it's decent. Then moving on to the inside. Oh, and also a big change I forgot to mention. The car got quite fast after we did some wider fenders to make a 265 square setup work on the car. The car gained just by that 2.5 seconds. So that was big. As for the interior, it used to have interior. I don't know if you can call this interior. It's now got 2 racing seats in it and a very, very nice Revan shifter with lockout. Really nice piece of kit that. Got ATS steering, and as you can see, not much else.
Oh, Father, tell me, do we get what we deserve? Oh, we get what we deserve. And where down we go, oh, 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 where down we go, oh, 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 so where down we go, oh, 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 way down we go. Oh, you let your feet run wild. Time has come as we all fall down. Yeah, but for the fall, ooh, my heart, do you dare to look me right in the eye? Yeah. Oh, but say we run you down to the door. Yeah, someday we run you down till you fall. And they will run you down till you fall. Yeah, till you can't grow no more. And where are we?
So yeah, the car, the goal for the car now, after we've set through, is at our local track. The previous personal best on this thing is a 110, and the goal is to try get to a 105. So to chop another 5 seconds off the PB, quite a tall ask, but me and Swari are down to try with all our weight savings, and as you're about to see what's coming up next.